Editing a recipe. Launching the program. Launch WinMix using one of the known methods. Via the desktop shortcut, or through the Start menu. Opening a recipe. Open one of the recent recipes in the Welcome window by double-clicking on it. Inserting raw materials into the recipe. Raw materials are displayed in the Recipe Raw Materials table. To add an ingredient, open the Operations menu, Raw Materials, or press Ctrl+T. In the dialog window, select a list. Choose the required raw material and click Add. To remove a raw material, select it and click Delete. Confirm the changes by clicking OK. Inserting nutrients. Nutrients are displayed in the Recipe Nutrients table. To add nutrients, open Operations and Nutrients a list. Or press Ctrl+N. In the dialog window, select the required nutrient and click Add. To remove a nutrient, click Delete. Note: gray color indicates that the raw material or nutrient is already in use. Click OK to save the changes. Quick insertion of raw materials or nutrients. Select any cell in the desired table and press the Insert key. In the search bar, enter the first letters of the raw material or nutrient name or its number, depending on the selected table. Select from the list and click OK to quickly add the raw material or nutrient. Changing recipe parameters. A recipe includes parameters such as a template, price lists, and currency. Open Operations Parameters or press Ctrl+R. In the window, select a tab and modify the values. For example, to change the recipe name, open the Additions tab. Enter a new name, such as Example 1. Click OK to confirm. Now, the updated name will appear in the top corner of the window. In this lesson, you have learned how to add raw materials, nutrients, and modify recipe parameters.